Okay, so here we're going to find the volume of a sphere. So I'm going to go ahead and use this formula given to me right here. It means we're going to go ahead and take 4 times pi times the radius squared and then divide by 3. This is equivalent to 4/3 pi r squared. I just like to think of it in terms of this, so when I check to see I can cross cancel, it's a little bit easier for me. So here, the only thing I need to plug in is my radius. So here, since the radius is the length from the center to the edge of a circle, I'm going to say that my radius is 9. So all I need to do is plug it in. I have 4 times pi times 9 cubed divided by 3. So now what you're going to have to do is check to see if you can cross cancel. I notice that I can. Please don't cross cancel here. Before you can cross cancel, you're going to have to expand this out. So this is going to be 4 pi times 9 times 9 times 9. Again, this just basically represents 9 cubed, and then you can divide by 3. Now you can cross cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3, so it's just a matter of multiplying straight across now. I'm going to say 9 times 9 is 81, 4 times 3 is 12, so I'm just going to multiply that out real quick. 81 times 12 is 972, but don't forget about pi. It's still at the end of your answer. So I'm just going to type that into my box, 972. Make sure you put in pi for pi, or again, you can click on this yellow button and it can also be inserted that way as well. So now I just submit. And there you have it. Green means it's correct, so I can move on to the next example. So the only difference between this sphere and the previous one is this one, they're giving us the diameter instead of the radius. I'm going to still use the same formula, which is volume equals 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3. So yet again, the only thing that we need to figure out is my radius. And again, the radius is basically the center to the edge of the circle. So in this case, I'm going to say that the radius is 6. So I'm going to plug that in. I have 4 times pi times 6 cubed divided by 3. Please refrain from cross-canceling here, because if you do that, it will be incorrect. What you want to do instead is expand this and then reduce afterwards. So here, 6 cubed means 6 times 6 times 6. We're going to divide that by 3. Here I can see that I can cross cancel. 6 and 3 have a 3 in common, so 6 is going to become 2. 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. Now all you do is multiply straight across. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times 4 is 8. Basically what I'm utilizing right now is the commutative property of multiplication. I'm multiplying them out of order. So here, 36 times 8, let's see what that is. 36 times 8 is 288, but let's not forget to include pi at the end of our answer. Simply type that in and you are done. But real quick to just demonstrate, if I put 288, you're going to notice it's marked wrong. Why? Because I'm forgetting pi. So make sure you have the pi symbol inside. If you ever get it wrong, that's one thing that you might want to check.